Hi there, how's it going today? We're going to explore how to effectively send money from your AMEX account to your PayPal account. The first crucial step you need to keep in mind is that you have to securely link your card. Please. Your AMEX card to PayPal. This process is pretty simple. We go here to Wallet. Right here, we click on Wallet. And here in Wallet, you'll see the option to link cards, as you can see here. We're going to link a card by clicking on this option, and when we do, it will ask us for all the card details. The card number, the type of card, the expiration date, and the CVV. Then we'll enter the billing address for that card and click this button that says Link Card. Here you have to enter, as I already mentioned, your AMEX card details. Once you've done that, you'll be able to use your card. Okay? It will be linked here. And what you have to do is very simple. You can directly add to your PayPal balance by simply clicking this convenient button, and the specified amount will be automatically withdrawn from your linked card. Alternatively, you can navigate directly here to the prominent option that clearly states send or request money. And in this section, what we will meticulously do is carefully enter the full name of the specific person to whom we are intending to send this financial amount. And the money that we successfully send will be directly and instantly withdrawn from your designated card. If this video helped you, please leave a comment and subscribe.